PSTV is showing a lot of strength within a longer term bearish trend, up 117% in the pre-market session of Wednesday, the 25th of June 2025. The company indicated that the FDA has cleared its investigational new drug application for Reyobiq, paving the way for a phase 1 of 2A trial targeting pediatric patients with recurrent or progressive high-grade glioma and ependymoma. The company said the trial, which will assess safety, maximum tolerable dose, and preliminary efficacy in patients aged 6 to 21, will be funded by a $3 million grant from the U.S. Department of Defense. The phase 1 portion will enroll 24 patients using a dose escalation approach, while phase 2 will evaluate efficacy in an additional 32 patients, the company said. So, yeah, showing a lot of strength within a longer term bearish trend. It's 200-day moving average. This one is sloping bearishly lower. Before now, the algos were actually projecting that today we're going to see higher prices. This is not active now. This was as of yesterday, the 24th. The algos were projecting that we will see what we're looking at right now. Did it project this sort of price? It just projected that we're going to see higher prices coming in, and it has just panned out. And it's expected to remain like this up till Monday, the 7th of July. That may not be the case. In terms of projections, it didn't have any upper projections. That's this downside of it all. So let's have a look at the 4-hour chart. Yeah, 4-hour chart. The extrapolation is for lower prices to print by tomorrow. So it's expected to remain. Maybe hold on to the gains of today. We'll have a down projection of a 0.3533. Yeah, lower prices after tomorrow or after today will continue to print. That is not a guarantee as well. Yeah, let's see what the price pressure momentums are indicating. Yeah, very strong trend mode, but we have to be caution is warranted. They're not weakness is still imminent. Yeah, there's a very good chance that it will give up on the gains. That may be why we have lower prices being extrapolated, because the derivatives are not all of them are positive. In fact, most of the derivatives are negative. 3 out of 4 are negative. So caution is warranted most certainly. Um, as of Friday, the 13th of June, we had projections all the way towards 0.6988, 0.8484, 0.9409. They're not in play at the moment, but if it continues to print higher prices, those are the resistances it will have to deal with. Okay, let's see what we can. Let's apply the market grid for the stock and see what is going to tell us. It will also give us an indication of if it hasn't printed higher prices. If it has more room to go, then we can also see that from the. Okay, yeah, it doesn't seem to have more room to go. We have 0.4059, so it's currently at 0.4073, so it's just slightly above this RXT value, indicating that maybe high prices could still print, but at the same time it could also come back into the channel, into the market, into the grid. Yeah, I can see here it's way outside of its price channel. It's attempting to come back. Well, yeah, the potential is there for it to come back, but also high prices could still print 0.4450 intraday high, printed not long ago. Yeah. Okay, interesting. We have to look at the. Yeah, let's see how liquid it is here. 0.4045. So this is the buy side and this is the sell side. We can get not that liquid. You would expect that it will be liquid and more liquid than this, but it's improving. You can see volumes here 391. Let's get the volume for this session so far. 23 million and counting. Okay, it's not too bad. It's a penny stock, and yeah, liquidity is not supposed to be that bad, that poor, but it's okay. It could be worse than this. Okay, so has it? It's yeah, trading right outside of its price channel, indicating that yeah, it could pull back. At the same time, it could also print higher prices. So these are some of the projections that were in play earlier on that are not in play anymore. They could still come back in. They can become relevant. 0.6988, 0.8484, 0.9409. Yeah, okay. Momentum is expected to dissipate. Okay, let's see. Let's apply the price pressure momentum 2 as well, and have a look at the quickly have a look at the 3-hour chart and then jump all the way up towards the minute charts and see. Okay, here, okay, strength is expected to hold up, and it's expected to even retest print higher prices for 0.4736. Yeah, that is what is being extrapolated on the 3-hour chart. Let's see. Okay, here, yes, the momentum, the derivatives are just as 3 out of 4 are bearish, negative, even though we have very strong price pressure momentum indicators indicating that very high probability that it will remain above its 10 and 21 period moving averages, but the caution is warranted. There's a good chance also that it may not be able to hold the strength it has. Let's see whether there's any radical projections here. We have okay 0.41 4117 4010 3944 4797 0.5101 0.5290. 2 minute charts. Let's see what we have. We have okay, down projection 0.41, upper projection 0.4151, 0.1786, 0.1860 down projection. 5 minute chart. Let's see what we have. 0.1934. It's a down projection. Okay, yeah. So just see what you make of PSTV. I think our best bet. Let's see now whether we have whether they were okay. Yeah, here as far back as early March, there was 1.6 upper projection. Yeah, 1.6 was in play. 1.63.14. Okay, we have two. 1.6, 2.13, 2.75, 3.14. Let's see, after scaling those ones, let's see. Yeah, we had here 0.9176, 0.820, 0.8021, 0.7307. So high prices going all the way towards $3, 3.14. No guarantee that those will print. Don't bank on them. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video.